Okay, AliExpress. Let me check it. When did I order it? Okay, skip that one. And Mafahs message shipping item. Look at that. May last month 24, I think last month 24. I just forgot that date. Look at that. I already forgot that day. How many days? It's a 9th. This month is a 9th of 12. No, today is a 9th of 12. So unfortunately, I just 9th of 12 I received yesterday. That means 9th of 11. 9 of 11. That means 21 7 days and 8 days, 18 days. So altogether 18 days I got this item. So according to them, there's you have 15 days to distribute. Yeah, that's a correct date, no? So altogether 15 days. They delivered that one 15 days. So that one, according to for me, so I already forgot I ordered this item. Discount for new users. So I using that new user discount. I ordered 2 items. So this item came yesterday. So I didn't open it. So today I'm going to open it. I just forgot. I kind of forget what's inside. Still, I didn't go and check my AliExpress account. So after once this one finish, I'm going to check it. Okay, and this is the item like that. I have another parcel downstairs. So that one need to check it. What exactly I ordered. So far, I ordered 2 items using what we call new user discount, and another one first time purchasing discount like that. So let's see what's inside. So name, not mention it name, item name, only weight here. So like a regular package. I can't. Okay, inside nothing. Right out. And so USB hub. Is it working? I don't remember. I ordered 2 USB hub. It's a 4-port. Okay, 2.0, because I have in my laptop right side. I think right side USB not working. I try to fix it out. It's not working. Cool. I can set it off this one. Okay. And sample requesting for overview. Like a charm. Only 2. If I can connect it to USB cable and USB speaker, and another one is a key mouse. If it's working, good for me. Okay, this is my laptop. Let's turn it on. Hello, Cleage. I'm going to take my password. Yes, okay. So I'm going to remove this one for USB mouse. So I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to attach this one here. Is the mouse working perfectly? Let's see. Is the mouse working? So, and same over here. I have and this one. So I'm going to attach this one over here and USB. Okay. There's a speaker, both the speaker over there. Where is another speaker? Yeah. Let's see if I can. It's working.
Next one's 25 inches stereo. This house is at the tail end of the first.
Some small.
Wrapping up the outside, siding's almost done, so is the deck, and on the inside we're finishing up electrical and plumbing. So all the wires are run through the wall, and upstairs on the back addition, we're wrapping in the bathroom and sitting room. On this house.
I think power is not enough. I think power not enough. So I'm going to connect it with my keyboard also over here.
House. Do you see this? We'll try it.
Keyboard, and I'm going to remove this one.
One of bright green. This bright house.
Alright. It's not consuming too much power. So that's why it's a USB. Okay. This one not consuming too much power. So only normal use, small use, not getting too much power like that. So I can able to use the like that. Supercar blondie. I like supercar blondie. And if I use it to USB cable for this one, good for the what we call it, keyboard on mouse. I'm going to attach it maybe this area like this, maybe downstairs, or attach it some other cable also here. So if I can able to attach here like that, maybe let's see. So I'm not moving around laptop too far from this much area, so it's good for me to maybe I'm going to attach it. So otherwise I'm going to keep it like that backside area. So nothing. I can't even see. Leave it. Now I always keep the hand like that. Okay. Okay, I got this item from AliExpress. I think maybe 1 month and a half, 15 days ago I ordered. I just totally forget, kind of. And I got the parcel yesterday. So I want to read what is it. So once I can able to touch it, I think it's a bending screwdriver. I can't able to recall the name. So not the exact name. But it's a small packet. Let's see. So they didn't mention the name of the item. So only with the amount, how much weight, like that. Some long time ago, I think. I thought they already I paid the item. So but unfortunately, I just forgot. So kind of forgot. It's more than 30 days, no? So I can't recall it. So I purchased using AliExpress new user discount and first time purchase in discount, like that. Using both discount, I purchased 2 items. One is a USB hub, another one last time I just opened it and unboxed that video. So this one is, I think, it's a screwdriver. Let's try and open it. It's really good package. What the? And yeah. This one, okay, I like this. Let's try. Okay, if I rotate like that, this will rotate. I don't want this one. I have already using this one. Maybe okay. This one is a magnetic one. Now I'm going to use this one. It's a magnetic. Let's try some sample. The ball with the screw. Okay, over here. Okay. Let's try it out with this one. I think I'm going to use it. So total different colors. So it's a metal, I think scrap also there. So just this one. Attach this one over here. Magnetic. Oh, it's not a magnet. It's a magnetic only for working here. Okay. So I'm going to use it like that. Okay. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay. Oh, I just damaged my whiteboard also. I think I damaged my whiteboard. I like this item. So I don't know how long I can able to use it, but so far it's a worth to buy, I think. I can't remember I ordering like this one. I remember the plain color, white color, not like a grip one like that. I like this one. So I can't recall it. I had to go to check it my order in AliExpress. So let's see. Thank you guys. Let's delete out this one. So I'm going to use it directly